Untreated sewage flows in the open on the streets of Rafah. Nearly 5 months of Israeli bombing has left the sanitation system in ruin. Clean water has become extremely hard to get.
There is no infrastructure. Public roads are dirty and flooded with sewage and garbage. Diseases have spread, and if it continues like this, the situation will be irreversible, especially that there are now many children and elders who are already sick.
Piles of garbage grow larger between the tents erected all over Rafah. Outbreaks of disease are increasing, with Gaza's children especially vulnerable.
My son has contracted hepatitis virus because of the unhealthy and unclean conditions we are living in. We are living in a tent that cannot protect us from cold or rain. In addition, the entire surroundings are dirty. The whole area is dirty and polluted. Hunger, cold and disease are devouring our children.
Nearly 1.5 million Palestinians who've been forced from their homes are suffering. The United Nations says the surge in infectious diseases, coupled with the collapsed healthcare system, has led to a public health disaster.
There are no proper toilets. It is really hard to describe. Hospitals cannot accommodate the injured, and we cannot find treatments for the sick. What adds insult to injury is the soaring prices of all commodities, even if we can find them.
Many Palestinians seeking refuge in Rafah are those who've escaped the Israeli offensive that's both indiscriminate and extensively destructive. Some of the survivors say, as well as the threat from Israeli attacks at any time, they also fear a slow death from preventable disease. Felix, Nyawara, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.